Well, hello, and welcome back to Alex's Wardrobe. Thank you so much for joining me today. And as you know, it's going to be a pantyhose edition. But I thought I'd bring you, how would I style my pantyhose for something easy, breezy, and spring-like? So, shall we take a look at what I'm thinking today? All right, so I've got a gorgeous long length shawl, and I was hoping, as the weather is getting a little bit better, to bring you some lovely natural pantyhose. We'll do a close-up on these in just a moment, with my denim shorts and maybe a pair of cowgirl boots. Shall we see what that looks like? So let's do some styling on that in a moment. But before I start, let me tell you what I have done. I have got on today some really pretty leather and wooden beaded earrings. And I've paired it with like a double layered beaded necklace, which I think looks super cute. What do you think? All right, so I'm also going to be pairing that today with a pair of, natural pantyhose. They've got a 1-inch band on them. You have seen these before. They have got the single layer that runs round the gusset and then all the way to the back, which, can I say, is very flattering. I really don't enjoy it when they have the two lines, so this is really cute. They have a very light boxer on them. Are you even able to see that? Yes, if I hold it just there. And then they are very stretchy. Let's do a little hand in for you. Let's take this all the way down. So, as you can see, these are just really lovely. Tiny reinforced toe, but you can see my nails all the way through them very clearly. They're like a 15 denier, so they're great for spring. They're just really a lovely layer to make my legs look super nice. So, shall we pop these on and then take a look at the shorts with them? Okay. I'm going to have to do a transition today because I am wearing jeans. So we'll do a swap over. Is there any way? Do I have anything to cover me? Not really. Okay, we'll do a swap. I'll take the jeans off, swap into the pantyhose, and then perhaps we'll slip on the... Yeah, then we should be able to slip on the shorts. Okay, let's do that. So sometimes with an edit, I can't put it up, but I think this might be okay. We will see. I'm going to slip these on for you. So, like I said, reinforced toes, really nice. Just slipping over my red toenails. We'll just slide those up. And then we'll do the same with the other, just gently feeding it up your hand. Now these are not new tights, they've been worn before, but if you have tights that you haven't worn before, I always highly recommend that you just give them a little stretch with your hands first, just to open out the elastane in them. There we go. I'm just going to lift these up. So we're going to bring these up and just wiggle into them. I mean, I'm wearing panties, so there shouldn't really be any issue with this. So they're just going to come all the way up. I'll put them up to here so you can see where they come up to. Then we'll take this over the top. There we go. So we'll just check whether that edit is going to be okay for this section, and then we'll pop my shorts on. Let's do that now. And we'll see what they look like. Ooh, summertime cute. So here they are. Very cute, very summertime. What I think I'm going to do is just bring you in a little bit closer on the pantyhose, and then we'll pop on some boots in a moment. How does that sound? Okay, so let's bring these up. So this is just a really classic jeans and shorts look. Look how good the colour is on these tights. It's actually amazing. I'm going to bring them up here. Oh, that's a perfect angle. Colour match. Unbelievable, unreal, to be honest. So perfect. The great thing is that boxer line, which is right there, hides neatly under my shorts because it's quite short. These are amazing. Let me tell you, the feel of them, sound. So did you hear that? They can catch very slightly. To be fair, I have just broken a nail, so they can catch very slightly. But as a general rule, really good. Listen to that sound. I can, should we bring this in for a minute? I can actually bring this up here so you can hear that. They've not got much of a pop on them. There's not much snap, but the fit is still really lovely. Okay, let's pop on some boots and look at the styling. So let's do this. We're going to pop on that lovely layered shawl, and I'm going to go with my cowgirl boots today. I think I might go with my blue ones actually, because they have got some really lovely colours in them to match my outfit. So you have to tell me, have you thought about styling your pantyhose with your shorts? Because I love a pantyhose and shorts look. I think going into summer, we should definitely look at doing more going out outfits with pantyhose and like little shorts, maybe some little leather shorts. Maybe I do love a kind of cargo all natural look, so we should also look at doing that in shorts as well. So you must put down in the comments for me, first of all, what's your thoughts on these pantyhose? I mean, I want to tell you 100 out of 100, but what's your thoughts? Do you think they are the most natural pantyhose you have ever seen? Personally, I think they are. I would also like to remind you that if you love this style of content, but you'd love to see like the outtakes and the behind the scenes and the extra bits that you just can't get here, then do head over to my subscription pages. You'll find that there's, I think it's like a milkshake link tree, and it's double linked. I think you go in and then it will ask you for subscriptions or YouTube channels, and you can find everything in there. So make sure you just go through the links because it is a double link. Yeah, I think the Goddess page would be a dream for you. It's filled with beautiful pantyhose content, outtakes, extra spicy naughty bits, lovely lingerie shoots all the time. And there is content on there every single day. It really is not the kind of place that you just go and find like a photo. It's not like that. It's a really fun place to be, and you can chat to me there as well. So I'd love to chat to you if you've got a bit of a penchant for pantyhose. Anyway, I think we're done today. I might just do a quick little outdoor section for you on what this outfit looks like. Thank you so much for being with me today, my darlings. Happy listening, and let's take a quick look at the outfit together. Thank you so much for coming in today, and I'm wishing you an amazing day. Don't forget, what do you need to do? You know, worship my wardrobe. Happy listening, my darlings.